Mnangagwa dismantles Mugabe's education excellence legacy. The 10th of August 2025. Spread the Love by James Gwati. Zimbabwe's once proud education system, celebrated during the Robert Mugabe era as one of Africa's finest, is now at the center of a bitter legal and political battle. The Association of University Teachers, AUT, has filed an urgent high court application seeking to block the Chancellor of the University of Zimbabwe, UZ, from conferring degrees, diplomas, and certificates at the institution's 44th graduation ceremony. The court papers, stamped by the High Court Civil Division on Saturday, list 13 respondents, including UZ Vice-Chancellor Prof. Paul Mapfumo, the Minister of Higher and Tertiary Education, the Zimbabwe Council for Higher Education, the Law Society of Zimbabwe, and various professional councils. Under former President Robert Mugabe, Zimbabwe became an African education success story. In the 1980s and 1990s, his government prioritized free primary education, aggressive teacher training, and curriculum expansion, making Zimbabwe the country with the highest literacy rate in Africa by the early 2000s. The University of Zimbabwe and other tertiary institutions earned a reputation for academic rigor, producing graduates respected regionally and internationally. Mugabe's education policies, though criticized for politicization in later years, created a generation of highly skilled professionals, from doctors to engineers, whose qualifications carried global credibility. Today, the AUT argues that this legacy is being eroded under President Emmerson Mnangagwa's leadership. In their urgent court filing, the lecturers allege gross violations of academic regulations that have rendered UZ qualifications defective. The union accuses the university leadership of turning the institution into a degree printing machine, claiming that academic standards have collapsed to the point where, like pizza, one can now order a degree. The AUT says the crisis stems from an indefinite strike launched on the 16th of April 2025, which deprived students of meaningful teaching and learning in Block 3 and Block 4 modules. They blame the UZ administration, led by Prof. Mapfumo, for arrogance, academic fraud, and deliberate undermining of academic integrity. The union's 45-page dossier reportedly details the most grave instances of malpractice in Zimbabwe's higher education history. The statement praises lecturers who endured alleged intimidation, kangaroo courts, and attempts to force them to renounce the union. Our struggle has been recorded in the annals of history, the AUT declared, warning that the erosion of standards is destroying decades of progress. If the High Court grants the interdict, the conferring of qualifications at Zimbabwe's flagship university will be halted, potentially throwing thousands of students' graduation plans into uncertainty. For many, the decision could determine whether their hard-earned degrees retain credibility at home and abroad.